Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from Sim 1B Group 7. On this day, our group will present a video on the animal body plan. Our group members are Muhammad Syawabi Ujang, Muhammad Luqman Amin bin Alfian, Muhammad Mughis Dania bin Azhar, Nur Nadirah binti Ibrahim, and Nur Ijla Najwa binti Muhammad Rizal. Introduction. Organisms within the kingdom Animalia can be classified based on their body plan. An animal body plan is the basic structure of the organs and tissue within their bodies. In the animal kingdom, there are two major themes within body plans. The diversity of organisms that has occurred within this construct is a testament to evolution. It's important to understand body plans because they lay the foundation for the many adaptations that have evolved in animals. Once certain features have evolved, they also constrain any future adaptations. For example, a building architect is told to design a house with 4 walls and roof. That's all from me. Thank you.
Body symmetry. There are 3 parts of body symmetry. First, asymmetry. Second, radial symmetry. Third, bilateral symmetry. First, asymmetry is seen in 2 modern clades, the Parazoa and Placozoa, although we should note that the ancestral fossil of the Parazoa apparently exhibited bilateral symmetry. Second, radial symmetry. Radial symmetry is the arrangement of body parts around a central axis, as is seen in a bicycle wheel or pipe. It results in animals having top and bottom surface but no left and right sides, no front or back. Third, bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry involves the division of the animal through a mid-sagittal plane, resulting in 2 superficially mirror images, right and left half. Most animal phyla have bilateral symmetry. Examples of bilaterally symmetrical animals include worms, insects, butterfly, crab, or human body. Animal body plans and cavities. First, sagittal plane divides the body into right and left portion. Second, mid-sagittal plane divides the body exactly in the middle, making 2 equal right and left half. Third, frontal plane, also called a coronal plane, separates the front from the back. Fourth, transverse plane or horizontal plane divides the animal into upper and lower portion. This is sometimes called a cross-section, and if the transverse cut is at an angle, it is called an oblique plane.
In conclusion, we can learn about the importance and role of each part of the animal body. In addition, it also allows for a better classification and understanding of animals.